Now, naming for molecular compounds, this is where I'm going to start using my prefixes. Okay, so it's very important that we first of all identify whether we have an ionic or a molecular compound. Now, molecular compounds form these covalent bonds where they're sharing electrons, and they can share electrons kind of with quite a few different, they could share them with quite a few different atoms. So what that means is I could kind of have, carbon dioxide or carbon monoxide, or those sorts of things where I have different different combinations, unlike ionic compounds where that transfer of charge really defines the ratio between them. But because we're sharing electrons, that means that we could have more than one option potentially. So that's why it's very important that we are putting our prefixes in there, is that's saying how many of each atom are sharing electrons with each other. So we do the prefix, the atom, and then the prefix, the atom and ide, where atoms are named in order that they appear in the formula, and the prefix represents the subscript behind the atom, not its charge. Okay, so it's very important that we know that it's a molecular compound because it's made up of two non-metals, but also that we know that the prefix that comes before that particular element actually denotes how many of it are in the compound, therefore the subscript behind that particular element.